Hi everyone, Norm here. Look, over the past few years, I've been changing my habits to include healthier eating with little to no added fats. So in keeping with that, here's a technique that I use to make fast fried pork chops that are both tasty and nutritious. A part of the challenge with pork is that it tends to dry out if it's overcooked, even by a small amount. And of course, it's also necessary to ensure that it's cooked sufficiently to make sure there's no issue with, parasites or any other issues. Thus, temperature and timing are paramount. Now, I found that using the Ninja Foodi allows me to make these chops very tasty with no added fats and actually drains fats away from them, while still leaving them with a juicy texture. Now, I've arrived at the temperature and time suggested here through a few trial and error efforts, so you don't have to. Try it out and let me know how it works for you. Well, what do you think? Leave me a comment or drop me a message. Like the video, please, and subscribe to the channel. And then hit that bell so you are notified when new videos are uploaded and you can be among the first to see them. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day. I'm wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.